Rather unusually, Wheatstone is a very vertically integrated company, which, as we know, translated means sheets of aluminium come in one end and finished products go out the other. We don't sub out the manufacturer of anything.
Right.
Really, everything is done in-house. So that really helps the keeping the quality together. And when we started doing the air chain processing stuff, back with the AP-3 in 2004, 2005 or so, it was wonderful not having that to worry about. You knew that the manufacture was going to be good.
Yeah.
I would hate to be a startup having to worry about how things are built and how you're maintained and how after sales is going to function. Never mind actually designing the product.
I've been on that end before. Yes. I worked here. I worked freelance and it was a good product, but the manufacturing of it, there was always lag time, and there was times when the product couldn't be delivered on time because of manufacturing. When you control your own logistics, when everything is under your control, there's nothing that can replace that. There's nothing that says, I need to do this, and I have to do it within a week's time. I need to make 50 of these, and I have a week to do it, and we can do it.
We can do it.
Yeah, we can do it, and have done it.
Yeah,
we have done it.
Yeah.
It makes us very versatile, and it allows us to respond quickly to a customer's order, a customer's needs, or whatever. And that's why we absorb this type of feedback, because we can make these changes. If a customer has an idea about a product or has an idea about an improvement, it's something we can legitimately consider and not just give lip service and say, oh, that's on our list and blah, blah, blah. But, it's going to cost us a lot of money to change how we make this and do the third-party thing and make a test model and blah, blah, blah. We can actually create it here and see what it does.
Yeah.
The fact that we are and can be that nimble is a bit of a two-edged sword, because the temptation is to live tactically. Here's a little problem. Ooh, let's deal with that. Here's another little problem. Deal with that. And nothing ever gets finished as a consequence.
Mm-hmm.
So the discipline of having to, yes, you address all these things, but you save them up until you're at a nice juncture where it makes sense from a whole range of reasons, not just manufacturing or technically, but from a marketing standpoint as well. Okay, we'll roll all this in. Let's move on from here.
Right.
As I say, it can be a two-edged sword.
Yeah, it can be. When you can do something as one fluid change with a bunch of stuff, that makes for, you can test the new software as a system together to make sure it works together, and then roll that out.